Cutting-edge Spearfish and Sting Ray torpedoes carried by the Royal Navy are receiving a £230 million maintenance uplift. Spearfish torpedoes, which use sonar to home in on targets, are carried by the Royal Navy's Astute class and Trafalgar class hunter-killer submarines and the nuclear deterrent Vanguard class to neutralize underwater and surface threats. While Sting Ray torpedoes are deployed on anti-submarine warfare mission, including frigates, Merlin and Wildcat helicopters, they provide a close attack capability which also automatically targets in on enemy threats. Supporting over 100 skill jobs at the BAE Systems Broad Oak facility in Portsmouth, the Torpedoes Repair and Maintenance (TRAM) contract will run for 6 years. TRAM supersedes the Torpedo Capability Contract (TCC) with BAE Systems, which ran for 10 years. The contract will help guarantee the Royal Navy's inventory of Spearfish heavyweight and Sting Ray lightweight torpedoes. A full suite of maintenance activity is also included. This support ranges from technical repair, provision of spares, stock management, logistics and trial support. Ensuring the torpedoes are safely stored is vital, so the contract also offers safety, environment and engineering advice to support the continued secure use of the weapons.